Department of Youth Service and Sports, and of course our Deputy Commissioner of Pulwama. They've organized this very good program. That's a trekking program, and we all are going to Pahalgam. And I want to say that it's a very good opportunity for all of us, where we can showcase our talent and we can interact with the girls of different zones. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, because this is the first time I'm going on trekking or something, because we have always been in our minds that I don't think it's safe there for girls or something, but now I think it's need of an hour, because as we know कैसे आजकल के students, they are being involved in drugs, they are being involved in many types of like these things, and I think उससे बेहतर है to go in these places, because our Kashmir is of course so beautiful, so go in these places and just explore and adventure. And I want to thank each and everybody who have organized this program, and I want to say that it's very exciting and it's going to be very adventurous, so we're looking forward for these types of programs. Thank you.
इसका ट्रैकिंग प्रोग्राम का मुद्दा और मकसद यही है कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, चाहे बॉयज़ हो चाहे गर्ल्स हो, वो एक जो डिफरेंट एरियाज़ है हमारे प्रोविंस में, अभी जो पहलगाम इस साल वो सिलेक्ट किया है, लास्ट ईयर हमने यूसमर्ग किया था, तो वो एरिया को भी वो एक्सप्लोर करे और अपने आप को फिट रखने के लिए जो ट्रैकिंग प्रोग्राम है उसका भी भरपूर फ़ायदा उठाए. हमारे स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट के फीमेल टीचर्स एज वेल एज मेल उनको साथ है. मुझे लगता है एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्राम और कामयाब रहेगा.